In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add discount code at checkout Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a discount code, set the right conditions, and test it so customers can apply it at checkout with no surprises. First, open your Shopify admin dashboard. From the main menu, click Discounts. This is your control center for everything related to discount codes and automatic promotions. Click Create Discount, then choose Amount Off Order. This type of discount is perfect when you want to reduce the total order amount by a percentage or a fixed value. Next, decide how customers will use it. If you want a traditional code that shoppers type in at checkout, click into the code field and either enter your own memorable code or use the option to generate a random one. Prefer not to make customers enter anything. Switch to automatic discount instead. If you choose automatic, give the discount a clear name that will be visible to shoppers when it applies. Now, set the value. In the discount value section, pick either percentage or fixed amount. We'll use a percentage here. Type the number for how much you want to take off. Keep your margins in mind and make the discount meaningful but sustainable. Under eligibility, decide who can use it. All customers, specific segments, or selected individuals. Segments are handy for things like newsletter subscribers or first-time customers. Next, set minimum purchase requirements, if any. You can leave it with no minimum, require a minimum purchase amount, or a minimum quantity of items. Thresholds like 10% off orders over $50 can encourage larger carts while protecting revenue. In combinations, choose whether this discount can stack with other promotions, like product discounts or shipping discounts. Stacking can be generous, but if you're unsure, limit combinations to avoid over-discounting. In active dates, set your start and end. Click Set End Date and choose when the discount should stop. Double-check the time zone and timing so it begins and ends exactly when you intend. When everything looks good, click Save. To confirm it works, go to your storefront's checkout in Live View and enter the discount code in the discount field. For automatic discounts, Shopify will apply it when the conditions are met. No code entry needed. If the result isn't what you expected, go back to discounts and adjust the value, eligibility, minimum requirements, combinations, or dates. A quick tweak and another test usually does the trick. That's it.